Hey everyone, we're putting Humane's AI pin to the test by taking their own commands from their instructional videos and requesting it in real life. For example,
what's one key takeaway from this book?
Do I need an umbrella today?
Make a spreadsheet.
What's the weather going to be like
in Seoul next week?
Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's start with the basics.
Is Pluto a planet?
No, Pluto is not considered a planet according to the International Astronomical Union's definition. Checking Pluto's status. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, and is located in the Kuiper Belt, a distant region of our solar system beyond Neptune.
Maybe they updated it.
Is this outfit appropriate for a cocktail party?
Based on the image, the outfit appears to be more casual and may not be appropriate for a cocktail party. It is recommended to wear a more formal attire such as a suit for a cocktail party. Considering options.
Here, its camera's supposed to be scanning my outfit through the mirror.
For a cocktail party, appropriate outfit options include a stylish, fitted pantsuit, wide-leg pants or cigarette pants with a stylish top and blazer, a dressy medium-length skirt with a pretty blouse, a formal, below-the-knee dress, or a work-appropriate sheath dress with
It's not scanning my outfit.
It's recommended to avoid force-feeding.
From there, it just told me what a cocktail outfit was, but couldn't confirm from what I was wearing. So I asked again.
Is this outfit appropriate for a cocktail party?
If you'd like to assess the appropriateness of your outfit for the cocktail party, your AI pin can help you take a photo of the outfit to get a better idea. Would you like to proceed with that?
Yes.
Sorry, unable to answer.
I give up. Let's translate.
Ángela,
Marcos.
Yes?
va al Hotel Cosmos, ¿verdad?
1 second, please.
Hotel Cosmos, ¿verdad?
1 second, please.
I'm sorry, I don't speak Spanish, but I'm going to the Cosmo Hotel.
Lo siento, no hablo español, pero voy al Hotel Cosmo.
I'm sorry I don't speak Spanish, but I'm going to the Cosmos Hotel.
Lo siento, no hablo español, pero voy al Hotel Cosmos.
¿Cómo hiciste eso?
The pin seems to know who to translate by distance.
How did you do that?
Let me show you.
¿Cómo le dijiste?
Okay, mispronounced, but I think it's still impressive.
How did you tell him?
Let me show you.
Deja que te enseñe.
Okay, I double-checked this with ChatGPT and it couldn't understand what it was saying. My friend thought it was a different language.
What's the weather going to be like in Seoul
next week?
You don't just have to listen to the answer.
Checking weather forecast. Finding Seoul forecast. In California, the weather next week will be mostly sunny with temperatures ranging from 48 degrees to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. In Seoul, expect showers on Tuesday evening, with temperatures ranging from 53 degrees to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. The rest of the week will have mostly cloudy to sunny weather with temperatures ranging from 48 degrees to 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
Not sure why I did that. It's a lot of info. Just in case, I once again asked for the weather in Seoul next week, and the same thing happened, telling me the weather in California, but not Seoul at all, or Seoul anywhere.
Finding Seoul forecast. In California,
Did it
the
again.
weather next week will be mostly sunny with temperatures ranging from 48 degrees to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no rain expected during this period.
Finding book recommendations, like
I'm looking for a book
similar to Winnie the Pooh. Can you give me one option?
A similar option.
Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll is a book similar to Winnie the Pooh. Finding similar books. Books similar to Winnie the Pooh include The Tao of Pooh and The Wind in the Willows, illustrated edition children's classics.
Not the same, but sounds like good answers.
What's one key takeaway from this book?
book is a meditative manifesto that explores the true essence of being an artist and emphasizes the importance of committing to a creative practice. One thing to take away from the book is the warning against adding or taking away from its words, with the consequence of losing one's part in the book of life in the Holy City.
I don't know the book, but it sounds like it could be right.
Do I need an umbrella today? Pretty easy.
No, you do not need an umbrella today. The weather in San Francisco is sunny with no precipitation expected.
Can't wait for you to try this.
Do I need an umbrella today?
Yes, you will need an umbrella today in California, as it is currently raining with light rain in the forecast.
Cool.
Okay, maybe you can make us a spreadsheet.
Make a spreadsheet about top consumer tech reviewers on YouTube. Make sure to include their real names, subscriber counts, and URLs.
Sending to Dot Center.
Now it's going off and doing all this research for you, trying to figure out who the top ones are, and it's collecting them into a spreadsheet so that you can just look at it.
Just look at it.
Let me bring it up here. All right, here I've got it. I've got everything ranked by subscriber count. It's got the URLs in there. Looks like there's 21. I asked for 20, so we've got an extra. But, you get the point.
Make a spreadsheet about top consumer tech reviewers on YouTube. Make sure to include their names, subscriber counts, and URLs.
Finding top tech reviewers. Here are some of the top consumer tech reviewers on YouTube along with their subscriber counts and URLs. Marques Brownlee, 17.8 million subscribers. Marques Brownlee, https://
Now let's check out the spreadsheet on their Dot Center website.
It just showed me exactly what you see here. It didn't actually make a spreadsheet of any form, like in PDF or Excel, but it did show the transcription like it does for anything you say, as shown here.
User/unbox therapy. Movozathebos, 17.1 million subscribers.
They're probably still working on it. Now here's a bonus request that actually worked well. Find the highest rated H&R Block nearby.
The highest rated H&R Block near
My address?
31 North Highland Street, California 91 is located at 2121 California with a phone number of 5-5760.
Let's see if that's true. Actually looked at Google Maps and it was actually the highest rated one within my city. And on Yelp there's no rating, so I guess that didn't count. There were other similarly rated H&R Blocks nearby, but it was outside of the city. More tests to come on the AI pin, so give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.